Crypto prop trading is one of the fastest growing trends in the trading world, but what exactly is it? How does it work, and how can traders avoid scams whilst getting funded? In this video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about crypto prop firms, from history to platforms, payouts, and red flags. So what is prop trading? Prop trading, or proprietary trading, is when a firm allows traders to manage the company funds instead of their own. In return, the firm keeps a share of the profits, while traders typically earn between 70 and 90% of what they make. It all started in Forex around 2015 with firms like FTMO in Europe and TopStep in the US. Today, the same model is being applied to crypto markets. So how does crypto prop trading work? The most common path is through a trading challenge, where traders will pay a fee to enter, and they must follow the strict rules. That means no breaking the daily drawdown, the max loss, or risk limits. If they pass, they will receive a funded account and keep a share of the profits. Important to note though, most firms are using simulated capital, which means traders don't touch real exchange funds directly, and the payouts come from evaluation fees collected by the firm, not from the actual money made. Trading platforms in prop trading. So not all firms use the same technology, and this matters. Some firms allow traders to operate on real exchange accounts like ByBit with a leverage up to 100x. For US traders or those in restricted countries, firms may use platforms like Clio, which simulate Binance data in demo environments. Be aware, if a firm uses a poor quality platform or manipulates the data feeds, trading conditions may not reflect reality. A good platform is crucial for fair evaluation. Why challenge difficulty matters. Not all challenges are equal. Serious firms will design tough challenges with strict rules because that filters for skilled, disciplined traders. If a firm's challenge feels too easy, like no drawdown limits, instant funding, or unrealistic profit splits, it's often a red flag. In prop trading, the harder the challenge, the better the firm. Pass rates, the reality check. Across the industry, less than 10% of traders pass their initial challenges. Only about 2% of traders make it to higher funded stages. And this isn't because it's impossible, it's because discipline, patience, and risk management matter more than luck. Crypto prop trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a serious opportunity for skilled traders to scale responsibly. Payouts, what traders can expect. Average industry payouts range from 1K to 5K per trader, with some exceptional cases above 50K, but only a small percentage of traders actually reach payouts. Most will fail before qualifying. Sustainable firms limit total payouts to protect longevity and ensure the model survives, because if every trader passed and withdrew unlimited profits, no firm could survive in the long term. The most successful prop firms balance allowing consistent traders to earn and keeping payout ratios healthy for sustainability. So what are the benefits for traders? Well, you get access to larger capital. You don't need $100,000 of your own money to trade big. There's limited personal risk. Worst case scenario, you lose the entry fee, not your savings. And there's a great learning structure. Risk management and consistency are enforced by the rules of the prop firm, and you have access to a great community. Many prop firms are building large groups of traders for sharing strategies to make sure everybody has the best chance of success. So what to watch out for? Not all firms are fair, and here are some of the red flags. Unrealistic offers, like instant funding, 100% profit split, buy one get one free. Serious firms are not doing this. Aggressive discounts, constant 30–40% off. It's a sign that a model isn't sustainable. A lack of transparency, no real proof of payouts, no stats on pass rates, things like this. Platform manipulation, spreads widened artificially, prices delayed, stop losses not honored, scam works, things like this. Listen, if it looks too good to be true, it usually is. So let's look at the future of crypto prop trading. Transparency. Firms will need to prove payouts and pass rates and have them explicitly available for everybody to see. Decentralization. On-chain trading challenges could eliminate the manipulation. Accessibility. White label tech will let anyone from influencers to communities launch their own prop firms. Crypto native traders. The next generation of traders knows Bitcoin and Ethereum, not Forex. The demand for crypto funding will only grow. So how to get funded by a crypto prop firm? First off, you need to choose a reputable firm. Then you need to select a challenge size that fits your skill and budget. You need to trade consistently, follow the rules, avoid over-risking, and last of all, pass the evaluation, get funded, and scale with the profit splits. The top 5 questions traders should ask before joining a prop firm. What platform are they using? Is it a real exchange, or is it just a simulation? What are the challenge rules? Strict but fair equals better? Too easy? Bit of a red flag. Third, what are the pass rates and payout stats? If the firm doesn't publish, be cautious about that. Number 4, do they show proof of payouts? Screenshots, testimonials, blockchain data? Have a look at that as well. And what is their business model? Are they sustainable, or do they rely on constant discounts and hype? So crypto prop trading is a powerful opportunity, but it does come with its risks. The key is knowing how the model works, setting realistic expectations, and choosing firms that value transparency, fair platforms, and sustainability. Now, the industry is young, but it's growing fast, and traders who understand it now will be the ones who benefit most in the future. Well, thank you for watching. I do hope you all found this educational, and of course, if you would like to see more of these videos, then like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.